This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating the oven to 350 degrees and preparing pans. This locks in even baking. Once hot, sift flour with baking soda and salt so the cake rises uniformly. In a separate bowl, whisk sugar with eggs, oil, and vanilla until smooth. This creates the emulsion that traps air. Make sure to measure oil and sugar accurately because ratios control texture. Then fold wet into dry briefly. Overmixing develops gluten, so stop as soon as streaks disappear. Once the batter is combined, fold in pineapple and mashed banana to add moisture and natural sweetness. This prevents a dense crumb. Sprinkle in chopped pecans and cinnamon for texture and warm flavor, folding gently so mix stays airy. Make sure to scrape the bowl bottom. Trapped flour pockets cause raw spots. Divide batter evenly between pans for uniform layers, then bake 25 to 30 minutes. Rotate pans halfway if your oven runs hot. Let layers cool in pans briefly before turning out to avoid. You cool layers completely so frosting won't slide. Warm cake melts the cream cheese. Prepare frosting by beating cream cheese and butter until silky, then add powdered sugar gradually to reach spreadable thickness. This balances tang and sweetness. Once cooled, level tops if needed, stack with an even layer of frosting between each, then coat the sides. If cakes seem underbaked or soggy, chill them 30 to 60 minutes. If frosting is too thin, add more powdered sugar, a little at a time to thicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.